What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be giving the E36 some love that it very much needs. As you can see, very abused, neglected, and this bag obviously isn't doing too much anymore. But yeah, it's going to be a task to dig this thing out of here. Let's get to it. So I had the battery on charge overnight, so that should be good. So I'm hoping I can just drive out, leave these doors here because they're not going anywhere. They're stuck, frozen. See how this goes. I don't know why it's not coming out. I've got no idea. Why wouldn't it just drive right out of this? I don't get it. I put air in the tires. That doesn't make any sense. Should just drive right out of it, right? 20 cylinders. Just drove out of that. Bumper came off. Look at this. Oh, almost slipped. There's doors stuck to it. Bumper ripped right off. Tire flat. No problem. It's a good car. So, got the car in here, but of course, you know, I had to take it for a little ripskis, and completely forgot that my hood is literally just sitting on there because I got a different one. And I nearly drove over it. All my hard Bondo work on it, gone. So, that sucks. I'll probably have to get a new one, but oh well. Anyways, guys, so we got that out. I'm going to start working on that now. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you want to see more. I'm going to be working on this thing, maybe make some videos about that. Took the control arms out. I got one replacement here. I'm going to get this one powder coated. So I stripped that one with the wire wheel because I need to replace this one, which I welded at the track with a flux core welder. So getting that properly fixed, and then we'll get on to painting some panels and making this thing look good again. All right, guys. See you next time.